In this video, we will review the Froplay toy dog and see if it's actually a really good toy for your kids. So this Froplay toy dog are actually negative for your kids. People are labeling it as a scam with false advertising where customers receive a cheap, small battery-operated dog that doesn't match the lifelike shown in ads like this. It often arrives in a plastic bag instead of a box and performing only basic walking sounds instead of realistic barking. So the key complaints with this is their misleading ads, the poor quality of the product, as well as the limited functionality of the product itself. They also complain of packaging issues, and in overall, they are actually known as a scam or rip-off product right there. So for me, I actually recommend you to not use or to not buy this particular product to not get scammed. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.